Hey it's Angeline here. Welcome to the Unity Stamp and Bev Dove Design Team blog hub. Today I'm going to show you how to create this winter sky using some metallic paints from Deco Art. So here are the paints. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty and shiny. You have to have them if you like shiny things like me. So all you got to do is just squeeze some onto your cardstock and then using a paintbrush to just flatten everything out and just paint your background using it. As you can see, you only need a few drops to just cover the entire piece of cardstock. And bonus is it dries fairly quickly as well. So once that's dried, I've stamped this tree set from the Serenity is Peace kit. And I've also created some slopes here using some die cut and some white cardstock to create the winter slopes. And I've already stamped and colored this cute girl and also fox from the same kit, which is called Serenity is Peace from Unity, and using some Aleene's tacky glue and just adhering the girl and fox stuff and also the sentiment. Then I'm grabbing the Newell glitter drops in White Blizzard to add even more bling to the card, cause why not, right? So just check out how shiny the whole card is. And here is the finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique. And thanks for watching. Bye!